Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this is Friday morning, about 10:30 a.m. up at the Dayton Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio. Just want to give you a little quick look. It's not going to be a video of anything specific. We're not going to show you everything. We just went up and had a look around, and we thought it would share it with you how much people there were coming in all morning. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, Hamvention is pretty much just what it sounds like. It's the largest gathering in the world of ham radio operators, and folks come in from all over, and the vendors come to show off all their wares: new radios, new adapters, new antennas, just about anything that you can imagine in radio. It's going to be for sale here. And as you can see here, as we are beginning our trek out of Hamvention to go back to our car, we're going against a stream of people coming in. When we got there, there were probably 1,000 people already in line waiting for the opening bell, and the line never really went up, and you'll see that in these pictures. Just a lot of people, all with one mission: to explore what they can see for Hamvention. Now, Friday morning is typically the best day to go because it's the least attended day, but because of last year, it looks like this one's going to really rock 'em on Friday. There was a little bit of rain Saturday morning, but as you can see, it was a beautiful Friday. We left about 10:30, so we had to head home. We're about 45 minutes to an hour away, depending upon traffic, and there was a lot of traffic going in. The parking lots were full. I mean, we got there early for handicapped parking, and we were already out of the hard surface areas to park on. We had to go through the grass for a little bit, which I'm glad I brought Michael and Luann for some additional horsepower. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a great convention. It's a lot of people. Everybody's friendly. Everybody's technically inclined. It's like a pilot convention. Everybody's already, past the bar to get in. They also had a lot of Boy Scouts working for things going around, so there was no way you were going to get lost. They wanted to make sure you knew where the lines were. There were transport for people who had mobility issues. You could rent them. There were golf carts running around giving people lifts. So all in all, a very well planned and directed event as we were arriving. So ladies and gentlemen, I know it's not for everybody, and I promise I'm going to get back to some airplane topics. I'm going to the hangar today. But anyway, we hope you found all this useful and informative and a little bit amusing maybe. Have a good day and have a great day flying your Grumman. We'll talk to you soon. And here are the cats on the back porch just watching the birds.